Hi, welcome to another exciting episode of Tile Mart University. I'm Julie Ireland, design architect and founder of Bedrosians Cloe. Today, we're diving into the world of Zellige tiles. Those iconic and trending handmade pieces known for their vibrant charm and unique imperfections. In this episode, we'll explore how you can achieve this sought-after look without the complex installation and intensive maintenance required by real Zellige tile. Zellige tiles, originally from Morocco, are handmade from natural clay and often have a glossy finish with chips and imperfections that vary from tile to tile. While they add a touch of artisan craftsmanship to any room, they're extremely fragile and require precise handling and skilled tile contractors for installation. Regular maintenance is crucial due to their porous nature, making them high maintenance. But have no fear, Tile Mart is here to help you achieve the look of Zellige tile without all the headaches. Today, I've selected 3 of our Zellige look tile collections to share with you. What I love most about them is they mimic the irregular hand-cut edges and unique imperfections of traditional Zellige tile, providing that artisanal look with the added benefits of durability and ease of installation, saving you time and money. First up, our Moroccan Habitat Zellige 4x4 tile collection from Anthology. This collection has 6 colors and 2 pattern color mixes. It also has a coordinating 2x12 chair rail and a 1x12 pencil rail to trim out your design beautifully. Typically, real Zellige tile does not have coordinating trim pieces, and you have to miter the corners of this fragile tile to achieve a clean edge detail, which is very labor intensive, and it requires a highly skilled tile setter. With our Moroccan Habitat Zellige tile collection, you can achieve the high-end finish and look you desire with the ease of installation. Next is another one of my favorite tile collections by Bedrosians Cloe. You've seen me use this a lot in my own projects. This ceramic glazed tile comes in a 5x5 and 2x8 size and a beautiful range of 8 colors. It even includes a matching 1/2 by 8 inch pencil rail to perfectly trim out your design. The Chloe collection is a designer favorite and one of our best sellers, featuring a subtle undulated surface that mimics the unique handcrafted touch of traditional Zellige that's widely on trend right now. Whether you're updating your kitchen, bathroom, or your entryway, these tiles fit beautifully into rustic, farmhouse, modern, and classic styles with its beautiful range of color. Lastly, we have our Gleeze porcelain tile collection from Total Home Distributors. Available in a 2x6 size, this collection features 5 gorgeous shades ranging from white and beige to greens and turquoise and blue. You have to see the way these tiles are glazed. The depth and the variation create a truly breathtaking look for your home. The Gleeze collection celebrates hand craftsmanship, embracing imperfections and defects as unique benefits. With clear shade transitions, dripping rust and iron, and unique irregularities, these tiles offer strong shading, chipping, and relief imperfections that give your space a distinct and natural feel through the durability of porcelain. At Tile Mart, we source and seek the best tile and stone products worldwide to bring to you. Each of these options ensures that you can really enjoy the beauty and look of Zellige tiles in any space of your home without worrying about the complexity or the upkeep. Whether you're updating your kitchen, backsplash, or adding a statement wall in the bathroom, these Tile Mart solutions have got you covered. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest tile, stone, and design products and trends. We love to help you answer your questions, so be sure to email us at ask@tilemart.com. See you next time.